Today we're reviewing the FosPower 2-in-1 Emergency Kit, a 7400 milliwatt NOAA Weather Radio, and a 29600 milliwatt Bug Zapper. This combo is designed for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preppers. First, the emergency radio. It includes a 7400 milliwatt, 2000 mAh power bank that can charge your phone or small tablet in a pinch. 3 power sources keep it running: a hand crank, a solar panel on top, and AAA batteries. The crank and solar recharge the internal battery, so you never run out of power. It also receives NOAA, AM, and FM broadcasts, keeping you informed during severe weather. The radio has a bright LED flashlight and an SOS alarm for emergencies. Now the Bug Zapper. This device packs a massive 29600 milliwatt internal battery, nearly 4 times the capacity of the radio. It also has a solar panel to extend runtime. The Zapper delivers a non-toxic 3300 volt shock to insects with 0.3-inch spaced guards for safety. The guards prevent accidental contact while remaining effective against mosquitoes, flies, and more. The Zapper doubles as a power bank too, so you can charge devices from it. Both units are rugged and portable, ideal for camping, hiking, or power outages. The radio is compact, and the Zapper has a hanging hook for easy placement. During my tests, the radio powered my phone from 10% to 60% before depleting. The Zapper cleared a small campsite of flying insects within minutes. The solar panels charge slowly in direct sunlight but are a useful backup. Overall, this combo covers communication and pest control in one package. The radio's weather alerts and multiple charging methods make it a reliable emergency tool. The Bug Zapper's huge capacity and dual functionality add value. If you're looking for a versatile kit for outdoor adventures or emergency preparedness, this is a strong contender. Check the description for links to buy. Thanks for watching.